I've had this XTAPE1 from MILESEEY tools for a while now. I like to use tools for a little bit before giving an honest opinion, and this was a fun one. I've always wanted one of those green lasers to place stuff on walls easily, and more on that later, but this past week I've made planners, a lot of them, and it really shined in those projects. Let me show you how it works and how it helped me save time with its memory function that I love. This thing is basically two tools at once, a laser assisted measuring tape, but it can do a lot more, taking measures from a distance from point A to B, from where you are to anywhere, and this tool can also measure angles. I'm not a house builder, but I don't see what you wouldn't be able to measure with this. It can store up to 30 measurements. When full, the oldest measurement will be replaced. You can really set it custom, from colors to millimeters and inches, but one thing I love here is that you can force it in 16ths. Seeing them all in 16ths just helps me a lot. You can set that on or off in whatever increments you want. The settings on this thing are just what you need, nothing crazy, but it lets you set it like you want to use it, without getting confusing. Let me show you by example how it helped me make that last miter cut on my top planners. Measuring the full length, the short length, then from the side to the top of the triangle on both sides. Within a few seconds, I already have those 4 measures in memory and I'm ready to head off to the miter saw and get them done. I simply draw lines from those measures with the speed square, align my saw manually instead of using the angles on it, then it's perfect every time. The 3 other pieces I do at 45 degrees, and the last one, the XTAPE1, sure saves me a lot of time memorizing numbers, and the laser helps me stay square to the size and get an accurate measurement. My new CNC setup is well over 4 feet deep and I can't really reach to take measurements. I can align my router for any small jobs on scraps of wood like this, saving me materials and time from cuts that went off the side by bad measurements. Now let's go upstairs. I've been given the task to hang some frames, and they need to be in a straight line. This is going to be some good practice for when I do my cabinets in my walk-in closet this summer, where I'll be sure using this again to align my French cleats horizontally. First, I put my middle one where I want to be aligned, and from there I can put this on a tripod. From there it's easy to add my 2 other holes and end up perfectly level without any weird tricks or measuring from the ceiling or dangerously balancing over the stairs with an actual level. Now with this task done, let's get those planners outside for my customer who's coming later today. And I've got a project to start where I'll show you how the XTAPE1 is going to be a huge asset. This pool deck, I got it on the marketplace, used for a really good price. As I check the heights from the ground, I'm not level here at all. In this primitive install I did. My goal here is to prop the deck from under and level it from both left to right and front to back. If you're like me, creative, handy, but often do wrong cuts or constantly have to measure, take notes that you lose, this tape is for you. Using the green light to make sure your measurements are square relative to the frame or other parts is pretty awesome too. And for that reason, this tool is staying in reach in my shop for whenever a measurement needs it, or I need to remember lots of numbers for precise cuts. Be sure to check them out in the link I left in the description. It's great to use and you'll for sure see me reach for this. I'm setting it right over my miter saw station. Thanks for watching, see you soon for other builds and tools.